Hello everyone, my name is Bhavna Singh and I wish you all a very happy fall. And welcome to my channel once again. Actually, it's been so long I haven't uploaded any video on my channel. I'm extremely sorry for that, guys. But I thought let's start with the Dollar Tree haul again because I love Dollar Trees so much. So let's get started. So first thing that I got are these two foam pumpkins that I got for a DIY project. I'll show you guys later. So the next thing that I got is this candle holder, and after decoration it really looks amazing. Then I got these salt and pepper shakers, and these owls are so cute and so perfect for fall decor. And the next thing that I got is this photo frame, which is 4x6 and it looks old and rustic. This fall leaf candy dish is also good for DIY jewelry display, and I'm planning to paint it. I got a journal and a novel, and this journal actually retails for $24.99, but I got it for $1 at Dollar Tree, so that's quite amazing. And I got this novel called Driving with the Top Down. And this book tells the journey and self-discovery of three very different women. So I got this bathroom sunset design guide, and this retails for $22.95, but I got it for $1. I got these two coffee mugs, and I got Spa Naturals vitamin E oil. And here is mud mask. I have never tried this before, but I'll try and let you guys know. And then I got Ole bar, and I got 3 pairs of socks for my toddler. Then I got these pencil sharpeners, and there are 12 pieces.
No, don't ring them.
And the next thing is kids sandwich container, and this one is Paw Patrol, and my son is a big fan of Paw Patrol, so he absolutely loves it. And then I got this Puffs facial tissue, and another facial tissue pack. I got this canister to keep all my Q-tips and cotton balls. And here is pasta that I got for my son's lunch. Here is foil backsplash wall sticker for kitchen. Scouring pad for my kitchen as well. This one is liquid dish soap. Tall kitchen bags. Good and clean disinfectant wipes. Glass cleaner. Pumpkin room freshener. Carpet deodorizer. And the last thing that I got is toilet bowl cleaner, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys later in my next one. Till then, bye bye. See you.